Foreign credit card spending in Korea surged to nearly 10 times its level from 3 years ago, with the monthly revenue index skyrocketing from 100 in January 2023 to 960 in June, according to a report by Korea Credit Data.
한국 신용 데이터 KCD의 보고서에 따르면 외국인이 우리나라에서 사용한 신용카드 매출액이 2023년 1월에 100이었던 월별 매출 지수가 올해 6월 960으로 치솟는 등 3년 전보다 10배 가까이 급증한 것으로 집계됐습니다. Okay, so I guess foreign credit card spending has increased by a lot.
Yes, it has. And just to be clear here, when I say foreign credit card spending, it means credit card spending by foreign issued or overseas issued credit cards,
right.
Not credit card spending overseas in a foreign country, right? So people from overseas are coming to Korea and they are spending more and
not cash, but they're using their credit cards.
They're using their credit cards, and it's a direct correlation with the amount of visitors that are actually coming because Korea attracted more than 10 million visitors just in the first half of this year alone. By sector, if you look at it, if you break it down, the service sector, 40% of revenues in that sector came from dermatology clinics. And next was plastic surgery clinics. So a lot of people are working on their appearance, it seems. In the retail sector, 28% of revenues came from fashion and clothing, so a lot of shopping. And then the food service sector, 19% came from restaurants because people have to eat here. So this is a good sign in terms of the country attracting more foreign capital, it seems.
Right. 그러니까 이 외국인이 국내에서 카드를 사용한 그 금액이 3년 만에 10배나 급증한 것으로 나타난 건데 어디서 사용을 했느냐 이거를 보니까 K-뷰티가 요즘 핫하잖아요. 그러니까 이 피부과랑 또 성형외과 이 한국에 여행 왔을 때 나 가서 좀 피부 관리 좀 받자. 가서 뭐 어디 조금 고치자. 이렇게 마음을 먹고 오신 것 같아요. 그렇죠? 그리고 또 뭐 이제 옷도 사고 온 김에 여행 가면 저희도 많이 하잖아요. 옷도 사고 또 맛있는 것도 먹고 그래서 이런 분야에서 많이 사용을 하고 이 카드 사용 금액은 또 한국에 외국인들이 얼마나 많이 왔는지를 나타내는 거기 때문에 굉장히 좋은 소식이긴 한데 또 이런 병원이나 이런 것보다 또 골목 상권에서 더 많이 사용을 했으면 좋겠다. 이런 바람이 또 있기는 하죠. All right, so let's take a look at the expressions that were used in the headline. There was the expression nearly. It said that credit card spending or foreign credit card spending, it surged nearly 10 times.
Yeah, so not exactly 10 times, but nearly, almost, but not quite.
Yeah. 뭐 거의 뭐 할 뻔하다 이럴 때 nearly라는 표현을 쓰는데 as you mentioned, it's kind of used interchangeably with almost.
Almost, exactly.
Right. And there was also, we used the term index. It was monthly revenue index. And we use this a lot like when we're talking about Kospi.
Yeah, the Kospi index is a good example. When you're measuring a number that shows the level of change, because indices, the plural, the number itself doesn't mean anything, but it's a subjective, relative sort of number. So you're comparing things. So if the Kospi was at 5,000 today, but 6,000 tomorrow, you know that it increased by that much. But the number itself doesn't really tell you anything. But here we're talking about the monthly revenue index for credit card spending.
Right. So 지표를 얘기하죠. 그래서 뭐 consumer price index 그러면은 뭐 소비자 물가 지수 이렇게 그 어떤 물가 소비자 이런 경제 통계에서 사용하는 그 특정 어떤 변화를 나타내는 기준, 이 숫자 그걸 나타낼 때 지표나 지수 이렇게 index라는 표현을 얘기하고 so and then in the plural form we say indices.
Indices or indexes is also accepted. One index that I've been paying attention to a lot these days is my BMI, my body mass index. Which, yes, compares your weight and your height and things like that. Yeah.
Right. We should be taking care of our BMI.
Yes.
or more
Some
muscle.
more than others.
Yeah, more muscle, less
good.
fat.
Yes.
Definitely. Taking care of our health. So index. All right, so let me read the headline one more time. Korea's coffee market reached 3.7 trillion won in 2024 as consumer demand continued to shift from instant coffee. Actually, this is not the headline.
I think you're getting ahead of yourself
I
here.
am getting ahead of myself. That was the second headline. So let me read the headline one more time. Foreign credit card spending in Korea surged to nearly 10 times its level from 3 years ago, with the monthly revenue index skyrocketing from 100 in January 2023 to 960 in June, according to a report by Korea Credit Data. All right, let's move on to the second headline.